Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT. We take a look at the QNT chart here on the 12-hour chart actually. And first I wanted to just emphasize again that I still see the rally into the October highs as a wave 1 and then a WXY structure happened after that, and we're still in this Y wave, in this wave 2 correction. So relevant support as per Fibonacci levels is at $80 and 61. The $80 level is very relevant because it is the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. Ideally, I don't want price to go below it. We're already quite close. $100 is of course psychological support, and the entire correction, I would like to see it go below the wave W. So that is the $94 level here. This swing low. So ideally, we would break the $100 psychological support next, go down to at least 94, but don't break below 80, and then take off. Surely, prices come down deep enough. It doesn't necessarily need to come down any lower. It has come down low enough in this wave 2, but I primarily look at lower at this stage because, the short-term price action here doesn't suggest in any way that we have bottomed already. So let's zoom in a little bit. We're basically in this Y wave in the last sub wave, which you would call a C wave. So in the Y wave, we have an ABC structure, and the C wave is a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is ideally in the making now, then a wave 4 and a wave 5, and ideally we're holding sort of roughly $80 here. The C wave unfolds, in my opinion, as an ending diagonal, which is why we have ABC subwaves here. A wave, B wave, C wave. So ideally this move down is now the C wave and would take us below A. So we would go below $96, $97. And ideally then finally break this $94 level, this wave W low that was made in November 22. As I said, the low could already be in the lasting low in this wave 2 correction that we're dealing with. But as you can see, all the rallies recently, they didn't lead to any new highs, and they were just very corrective in nature. No solid 5-wave moves. I mean, to be honest, this could even be some kind of a triangle. I've just avoided to label it like that. And also the lower trend line is a little bit off. So there's a bit of, it's not very clear. Maybe like that, but it's not. We don't really have enough valid touch points down here to consider it a valid triangle, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, it's a triangle shape. You could also label it as a B wave triangle, but also the B wave triangle would, as per this wave count, break to the downside. So I'm observing all of that, and yeah, a break below the $96, $97 level would confirm a breakdown and a follow through. In this wave count, we have a possible B wave top here in yellow. Already communicated that a few days ago. It reached our resistance level, got rejected at the 78.6 retracement, and ideally is following through to the downside, but again, not very impulsive at this stage. We've got some micro support here, as you can see here, at around $103 here, here, and we hit the trend line now, so maybe we'll get another bounce. It's extremely boring price action. Eventually, hopefully, the move down. I think it would be good for the chart to get that one more low, just to get some buying interest, because the buyers don't seem to be strong enough at this stage to really push the price back above major resistance in an impulsive way. So that would be the $120 level, this B wave high that was made on the 2nd of June. Need to get above that level, but it wouldn't necessarily be super bullish from here because the whole structure here is not impulsive in itself. So we would most likely, even if we go higher from here, it would most likely just be a larger corrective bounce. I think we need a probable, possible, and solid bottoming structure, and it seems like we need one more low for that. Again, it can always turn around early. We've come down enough, but at the moment I just have no clear setup that would support further upside from here. If things change, I will of course let you know. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.